Welcome everyone. Question on conductometric titration. In the conductometric titration of HCl with NaOH, the nature of the curve, which type? Choices are A, this type, B, this type, C, this type, and D, this type. Answer is C, this type. Since both the acid HCl and the base NaOH are strong, so complete dissociation occur. Here neutralization means replacement of H plus ions by an equal number of Na plus ions. H plus ion has much higher ionic conductance than that of Na plus ion. So the conductance of the solution will decrease as more and more NaOH is added. When all the H plus ions replaced by the Na plus ions, conductance will reach the lowest limit. Any subsequent addition of NaOH means increase in the number of both Na plus ions and fast moving OH minus ions. These are no longer removed. The conductance therefore increases linearly with addition of NaOH. Thank you for watching this video.